Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
I hope you can hear me.
How are you, ma'am?
Fine, thank you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. We should just wait for the others to join and we'll start. Okay? Sorry, exams are over today. Exam is over today?
No.
Okay, you have one more pending. Okay, we just have 16. We'll just wait for a few more minutes and we'll start. Yes, Ananda Krishnan, what are you doing? Sit properly. Yes. Who called me?
Our exam is finished. Morning, ma'am.
Exam is over.
Yes. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am. Morning,
Good morning
Good
to
morning, ma'am.
everyone. Good morning. Okay, I'm starting.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes. So what did we do last week? Farmers, can you sit up straight rather than putting your head on the table like this? Yes. Okay. Can all of you all just mute your audios? I will ask you to unmute one by one. Okay. Okay, very good. Yes, Aradhya. Please unmute. Okay. Aradhya, tell me, what did we do last week? Yes, tell me.
Lazy squirrel.
Lazy squirrel, yes. And what did we learn in that chapter? Mitra, please mute your audio. Mitra, please mute your audio.
Winter is
Yes,
coming.
Aradhya.
Winter is coming.
And what were the animals doing for winter? Okay, unknown. Aradhya, you can mute. Unknown, please unmute. Yes. What were the animals doing for winter? Yes?
Taking nap.
They were collecting nuts. Okay, very good. Okay. Ujjwal. Ujjwal.
Lazy squirrel.
Ujjwal, what was Sunny doing? Without looking into the textbook.
Lazy squirrel.
That I know. When all the other animals were collecting nuts, what was Sunny doing? You have not touched the book, no, after last week? Huh? Yes, Rida.
Sunny don't like to pick nuts.
Sunny did not like to pick nuts. What did he like to do?
He likes to play.
He likes to play. Okay, very good. And what were the name of his friends?
Sammy and Benny.
Sammy and Benny. Okay, so this is where we stopped last week. Okay, now open your textbook. We will move on to the next paragraph. Page number 24 of your textbook. Page number 24. I will read from the beginning and then we will move on to the new paragraph. Okay. Winter was coming. The animals of the forest were getting ready for the cold days. All the squirrels were working hard. They were looking for nuts to keep for the winter, except for Sunny. Enjoy the good weather while it lasts, he told his friends. Yes? What happened? No, wait. After this, I will give you a chance to read. Let us finish the next paragraph and then I will give you a chance to read. Okay? Enjoy the good weather while it lasts, he told his friends, Sammy and Benny. There's a lot of time to find nuts. Mitra, please pay attention. I will give you a chance to read after this. Okay? Yes. You can follow the textbook, but don't read. You can follow what I'm reading in the textbook, but don't read now. Sunny was a very lazy squirrel. He would lie under the sun in the daytime. At other times, he would nap on the branches of trees. Sometimes he would pick up a nut and throw it at Sammy, his friend, and say, Stop working. Come and play with me. Sammy would play hide and seek with Sunny, but after some time, Sammy would go back to work. This is where we stopped, right? Remember? Okay, Mitra, what is the meaning of nap?
Sleep.
Short sleep. Okay, very good. Stain, what is the meaning of accept? Stain, what is the meaning of accept? Ananda Krishnan? Ananda Krishnan? What is the meaning of accept? Mitra, can you please mute your audio?
Other than.
Other than. Very good, very good. Okay. And who will tell me the meaning of, yes, Reeve, tell me the meaning of lazy.
Interested in working hard. Not interested to work.
Okay, not interested to work. Okay, very good. Okay. Now I'm moving on to the third paragraph. I don't like to work, Sunny would say. Soon the weather turned very cold. Sunny realized that he did not have much. Who's this? Ananda Krishnan, can you please mute your audio? Somebody else's audio is disturbing. Sunny realized that he did not have much food. He decided that it was time to go looking for nuts. He searched among the fallen leaves, but there were no nuts. The other squirrels had taken them all. What am I going to do? Sunny thought. I don't have enough food to last all winter. I wish I hadn't been so lazy. Okay, Austin, join late. Yes, okay. So what happens is Sunny says he doesn't like to work. We all know Sunny was a very lazy squirrel. Soon the weather turned cold. So in the beginning we read that winter was approaching. Suddenly it becomes cold and the weather turns very cold. Sunny realized that he did not have much food. As the cold days started, Sunny realized that he did not store food. He did not collect nuts like all the other animals did. And what happened? He did not get enough of food to last the entire winter. Okay? And what does Sunny feel then? He feels very bad. He feels he should not have been lazy, right? We all feel that if we don't study for an exam and we don't get marks, what do we feel? We feel that we should have studied for the exam, right? Okay, so, and he says other squirrels had by then collected all the other nuts. They were not lazy, so they had collected all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Austin. Please mute.
Yes.
Please mute.
Yes.
Please mute your audio, Austin.
Yes, I am mute.
You have not muted. Yes, okay. And by the time Sunny went to collect nuts, all the other squirrels had already finished collecting all the nuts and there were no nuts left. So Sunny did not get enough of food. And he says, I wish I had not been so lazy. Okay, is that clear? Yes? Yes, okay. Luckily, his friends Sammy and Benny were helpful and kind. They shared their nuts with him. What did Sammy and Benny do? Heba, what did Sammy and Benny do? Unmute. Yes. No, you have muted. Unmute. Yes, speak. What did Sammy and Benny do? How did they help their friend? Hmm? They shared their nuts with him. Okay, very good. So they gave a share of what they had collected to Sunny, and that is how they helped Sunny. Yes. Next summer, then what happens is the winter season gets over. And what lesson does Sunny learn? Yes, Afreen, what lesson does Sunny learn? What lesson does Sunny learn?
Doing work
To work,
and
not to be
not to be lazy.
lazy. Very good. When he does not get enough food in winter, he learns by the time it is next summer, he learns that he should not be lazy. And yes, he has to work all the time. Very good, very good. Okay, yes. So that is our lesson about the lazy squirrel. Okay. Yadav, tell me one lesson, one value that you learned from this lesson. What is a good thing you learned from this lesson?
All time.
What is it?
Work on time.
Okay, not necessarily work all the time, but when you have to work, you should not be lazy and do your work. Okay, you should not keep it for later on. Okay, what is another lesson that this lesson teaches us? Who can tell me?
Ma'am, can I?
Who is that? Rida? Who is that? Can you tell me the name? I cannot see all of you on the screen. Rida, yes, tell me. Rida, what is the other value that you learned from this lesson? Louder, Rida. Louder, louder. I can't hear you, Rida. Devdaksh, can you tell me what is the other lesson that you learned from this chapter? One is that you should work hard. You should not keep your work pending. What is the other lesson?
No lazy.
Yes, Jenicia?
Ma'am, Jenicia.
Yes, Jenicia. Sharing. Very good. Very good. Very good. Sharing with others. Yes. Do you all share your things with your friends?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Good children. All are very good children. So now let us read the lesson. Okay? Afreen, please start from the first paragraph. Just be a little loud. It's raining outside, so all that noise is coming. So whoever is reading, be loud, and the others should mute their audios. Devdaksh, can you please mute your audio? Yes. Afreen, start.
Winter was coming. The animals on the forest
Animals
were
of the forest.
the forest
Of the forest.
of the forest were getting ready for the cold days. All the squirrels were working hardly. They
Working hardly is not there. Only hard is there.
were looking for nuts to keep for the winter,
Okay.
especially except for Sunny enjoyed the good winter
weather
while it
lasts.
He told his friends Sunny and Benny there is a lot of time to find nuts.
Okay, okay. Next one, Ananda Krishnan. Please read the second paragraph.
Sunny was Very.
Did not practice, no, Ananda Krishnan?
Yes.
Yes. Then why are you taking so long? Read. Sunny was a very
Lazy. Well, he.
Daksha, are you lying down on the bed?
Under the.
1 minute, Ananda Krishnan. Daksha, are you lying down on the bed? Please sit. If you're lying down, get up and sit. Are you sitting or lying down? Sitting.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sitting.
Okay.
Under the sun. In the daytime.
For at other times.
Other times. He would nap on the
branches of
trees. Sometimes he would pick up
yes
a nut and throw it at
Sammy.
His friend and
Say
stop working,
come and play with me. Come and play. Yes, okay.
With me.
With me is not there. So that was a mistake. Okay. Yes, okay, it's there.
Sammy would play
hide and seek
with Sammy. But
after some time
Sammy would go back to working.
Working is there?
No.
Then
Work.
That's all. You didn't practice, no, Ananda Krishna?
Yes.
No. We have not practiced. If you had practiced, there would be more speed. I wanted to practice, okay?
Yes.
Read at least 2-3 times.
Yes.
Okay. Next one. Afif. Yes, read the third paragraph.
But after some time, Sammy would go back to work. I don't like to work, Sunny would say. Soon the weather turned very cold. Sunny realized that he did not have much food. He decided that it was time to go looking for nuts. He searched among the fallen leaves, but there were no nuts. The other squirrels had taken them. What am I going to do? Sunny thought, I don't have enough food to last all winter. I wish I hadn't been so lazy.
Okay, okay. Devarsh, please read the last paragraph.
Yes.
Hmm. Louder, Devarsh. We can't hear you. Can anybody hear Devarsh? No, we can't hear you, Devarsh.
No.
Okay, can I give the chance to Joanne? Devarsh, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, can I?
No, wait, I'll give you a chance. I'll give you a chance. Joanne, can you read the last paragraph?
Yes.
Yes.
Luckily, his
Hmm.
friends Sammy and Benny were helpful and kind.
Hmm.
They shared their nuts with him.
Hmm.
The next summer, Sunny helped his friends and collect food.
And
He-
collected food.
He
Hmm.
did
He decided.
that he would never be lazy again.
Okay. Yes or no? Please read the first paragraph.
Winter was coming.
Hmm.
The animals of the forest were getting ready for the cold day.
Hmm.
All the squirrels were working hard.
Hmm.
They were looking for nuts to keep for the winter.
Hmm.
Except for Sunny.
Hmm.
Enjoy the good weather.
Hmm.
It,
While it lasts.
while it lasts,
Hmm.
he
Hmm.
told his friends
Hmm.
Sammy and Benny.
Hmm.
There,
Hmm.
a
There is a lot of.
lot of time
Hmm.
to find nuts.
Okay, okay, very good, very good. So, has everybody understood the lesson? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Mitra, you want to read?
Yes.
Yes, read the second paragraph.
Sunny was a very lazy squirrel.
Hmm.
He would lie under the sun in the daytime.
Hmm.
At other times,
Hmm.
he would nap on the branches of trees.
Hmm.
Sometimes
Hmm.
he would pick up a nut and throw it at Sammy, his friend,
Hmm.
and say, "Stop working. Come and play with me."
Hmm.
Sammy would hide and seek with Sunny.
Hmm.
But after sometimes Sammy would go back to work.
Okay, okay. Next one. Stain.
Yes, ma'am.
Stain, third
Yes,
paragraph. Third paragraph.
But after some time, Sammy would go back to work. I don't like to work, Sunny would say.
Hmm.
Soon,
Hmm.
the winter
Weather turned cold.
weather turned cold.
Stain, your network is bad. I think we lost connection with Stain. We're not able to hear you, Stain. Dulkafil? Dulkafil, can you unmute?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everybody has understood the lesson?
Yes.
Yes? Rida, can you summarize the lesson for us? What is the lesson about? what is the lesson telling us about? Who is the main character of the lesson? Sunny. Yes. Okay. And what is special about Sunny?
Lazy squirrel.
He is a lazy squirrel. Okay. And what is the lesson telling us? What is happening?
Don't working.
Mm.
Work.
Mm.
Work.
Please let Rida speak. All the others, please mute your audios. Yes, Rida. Yes, Rida, tell me.
Sometimes we work.
I can't hear you, Rida, louder. All the other squirrels were working except Sunny. What was Sunny doing?
Sunny was playing.
Sunny was always playing. Okay. And then what happens when winter comes? What happens?
He don't get food.
He did not get enough of food. Okay. And what does he learn from that?
Sometimes we do work.
He learns a lesson that he should not be lazy and he should work when the time is to. He should not keep his work pending, right?
Yes.
Okay. And he has two helpful friends. What are the names of the helpful friends?
Sammy and Benny.
Sammy and Benny. So is the lesson clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes? Sure?
Yes.
Can I take a small test?
Yes.
Yes? Okay,
Yes.
open your chat box.
Ma'am,
Wait. Give me time. Give me time to copy the link.
they texted Kambua.
Okay.
Texted Kambua.
Just a minute. Keep your books closed. Please keep your books closed. Yes, I've sent the link. I have sent the link. It's a short test, only 5 questions. Only 5 questions I have given. It's a daily test. Write your name and division. Write your name and division. Do you want me to read the questions? Should I read the questions? Yes.
I don't get the link.
Who is that?
Mitra.
Mitra didn't get the link. Okay, I'll paste it again. Yes, Mitra, I've sent it again.
Yes.
Okay. Should I read the questions for you all?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay, the first question is, what were the animals getting ready for? Race, Christmas celebrations, winter. What were the animals getting ready for? Race, Christmas celebrations, winter.
I'm finished.
Okay. Second question. Sunny was a dash squirrel. Smart, lazy, chubby. Sunny was a dash squirrel. Smart, lazy, chubby. Third one. A short sleep means.
I have to fight.
Okay, very good. Can please let the others complete. A short sleep means nap, heavy, weather. A short.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you read the first one?
First one. The
Yes.
animals were getting ready for race, Christmas celebrations, winter.
Ma'am, second
Yes.
one.
Second one, Sunny was a dash squirrel. Smart, lazy, chubby.
Third one.
A short sleep means nap, heavy, weather. Sorry. A short sleep means nap, heavy weather. Fourth one, the animals of the forest were getting ready for the cold days. True, false? The animals of the forest were getting ready for cold days. True, false? And the last one, you have to identify the correct spelling of except. E-X-P-E-C-T, E-X-C-E-P-T, and A-X-C-E-P-T. Don't look into your textbook and answer. Okay? Yes, finished?
Ma'am, third one.
One second.
Ma'am, third
Yes,
one.
third. One second.
Ma'am, I'm gonna finish.
Okay, those are finished. Very good. Third one is the animals were getting ready for, sorry.
Finish.
A short sleep means,
Nap.
short sleep means nap, heavy weather. That's the third question.
Nap.
Okay. Yes, so which, let me see.
ID. Nap. Nap.
Yes, okay. Okay, everybody has got 5 out of 5. Very good. Okay, very good. So which means you've understood the lesson, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Thank you. We'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll discuss the answers. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
you,
Bye.
ma'am. Have a
Thank you.
nice day.
Same to you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.